Hi everyone, I'm Pooja Kant Alfred. Today I'm going to talk about a really good exercise and it's called the Comfort Zone exercise by Philippa Perry. And what this exercise does is it helps you to expand your comfort zone. So rather than, jumping out of your comfort zone, so moving from a state of um, feeling good to a state of feeling bad because you literally take a jump out of your comfort zone when you do certain activities that you're not so comfortable in doing. Instead of doing that, what you'll be doing with this exercise is expanding your comfort zone, which, in my opinion, is a much better way of dealing with procrastination and having all these goals that you have and you're not able to fulfill these goals because you're afraid to go there and you're afraid to leave this space where you feel comfortable. So instead of doing that, we'll be expanding the comfort zone. So all you need to do is take a piece of paper and make a circle in the middle of the paper, and then you need to write down all the activities that you're comfortable doing. So, for example, say you're comfortable in painting, I am, doodling, let's say, doing one-to-one sessions with clients. So, it could be many other things. So, these are some of the things that I'm really comfortable doing, and this has to be inside the circle. So, that this is what it's going to look like. All right. Now, the next thing that you need to do is write down the activities where you need to push yourself a little bit because you're a little anxious or nervous about these activities. So, for example, let's say you're anxious about public speaking. You need to push yourself because it gives you a little bit of anxiety. Or let's say writing a book. So you can write all these activities at the edge of the circle, and this is what it will look like. Okay, and you need to draw a circle around that. Okay, now you need to draw another circle around this and write down the activities that you find are more difficult than the previous ones and you need more courage to do these activities. So let's say A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the activities, okay, where you need more courage to start these activities. Now, the next one can be something that really makes you afraid. You really want to do it, but that makes you really afraid. So, G, H, I, J. So, let's say these are the activities, and you draw another circle around that. Now, you can draw as many circles as you want. So basically, the idea is to expand your comfort zone, like I spoke about it earlier. So, for example, when I started taking Krav Maga classes, that was actually in the second circle. I had to literally push myself to take those, Krav Maga, which is self-defense classes, even though I had that interest, but it needed that extra push. And at that time, I was not prepared to, go for the grading for Krav Maga. So everyone was going for the grading after a year of Krav Maga classes, and I wasn't. And it was only after 4 5 years in being in and out of Krav Maga that I finally went for the grading this year. So at that time, that grading would have been in the last, circle. So it would be somewhere here. The grading would have been here, and I was somewhere here. But I gave myself that time to really, feel okay about it and go from here to here. And that's why it felt so good. I just did it gradually and I enjoyed the process. And that's what this is going to help you with. This is going to help you with understanding what are the activities that you're really comfortable with, and then the activities that you need to push yourself, then the things that you need an extra courage, and then the things that you're really scared to do. So this is a good way of going about it, expanding your comfort zone, and this gives you a visual of what it looks like, where you are and where you would like to be, or what are the steps that you need to take. You can also add that in the circle, so you can add the steps that are needed to go to the next circle. So let's say from this circle to this circle, what steps are needed? From here to here, what steps are needed? So thank you for watching this video and have a great day.